Here we have the most beautiful cars ever built in our small but very prestigious factory. Since our beginning, we were firmly convinced to build the most beautiful car with the highest technology and the highest quality ever possible. We are going to celebrate next year our 15th anniversary. Ferruccio Lamborghini, he was a self-made man. He was a keen mechanic. He had always wanted to improve his own cars, so he modified heavily the most important sports car of his period. And this was the idea to let him start as a car manufacturer in 1963. Automobili Lamborghini's icon number one, the Miura, an instant classic. I can remember when I was a child in Rome, a Miura passed on the road, the traffic stopped instantly, and we all wondered of this beautiful car with these incredible colors. The gearbox as well as the differential are integrated in the engine of the Miura. Thanks to this idea, it was possible to build a very, very compact and aggressive car. The first Lamborghini with this special and incredible scissor doors is the Countach with a top speed of over 300 kilometers per hour. Go! In the recent days, we have built some other very iconic cars, such as the Diablo, the very first to use four-wheel drive on super sports car. Don't forget also the incredible Gallardo. When the car was introduced more than 10 years ago, it was revolutionary due to the fact that it was entirely in aluminium, the frame as well as the body, with an incredible V10 5-liter engine with more than 500 horsepower. Here we have all the highlight of our technology. The Aventador. Carbon fiber monocoque, V12 engine with the incredible 7-speed gearbox, the fastest gearbox for road uses ever built. Push rod suspension on a production car, not just on a limited series car. Our engineers, our designers, they are always doing their best finding new solution, new technical solution in order to improve the cars.